In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox fail to connect to game ID. Let's get started. First, we are going to clear the browser cache related to Roblox. For that, launch your preferred browser where you use Roblox. Click on three dots given at the top right. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on the option site settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option third-party cookies. Now here you're gonna find the option see all site data and permission. Click on that. In the search box, type in Roblox. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm it. This helps clear corrupted cache files that may be causing the error. Next, we will also clear temporary files on your PC. For that, search for run. Now type in temp and search for it. A new window will pop up. Here find the folder Roblox. Once you find it, delete it. After that, restart your PC and check if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, next step is to change DNS settings. Search for View Network Settings and launch it. Now double click on the network that you are connected to. Select the option Properties. Now here find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it and select Properties. Now enable use the following DNS server addresses and set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save the changes and restart your connection. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Roblox. For that, launch settings, go to apps, click on install apps, find the app Roblox, click on three dots, then select the option install. Now navigate to any of the browsers, search for Roblox, download and install it. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.